I come from Australia. Do you come from Australia? Yes, I do. Do you come from Japan? No, I don't. We always eat lunch at 3. Do you always eat lunch at 3? Yes, we do. Do you always eat lunch at 2? No, we don't. They live in a big house. Do they live in a big house? Yes, they do. Do they live in a small house? No, they don't. My sister likes pizza. Does your sister like pizza? Yes, she does. Does your sister hate pizza? No, she doesn't. My brother drives very fast. Does your brother drive very fast? Yes, he does. Does your brother drive very slowly? No, he doesn't. My food tastes really good. Does your food taste really good? Yes, it does. Does your food taste bad? No, it doesn't. I have 2 sisters. Do you have 2 sisters? Yes, I do. Do you have 1 sister? No, I don't. My brother has a big house. Does he have a big house? Yes, he does. Does he have a small house? No, he doesn't. Do you speak English? Does she live with you? Do they have a dog? Do you and your sisters like pizza? Does your brother have 2 children? Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Does she live with you? Yes, she does. Do they have a dog? Yes, they do. Do you and your sisters like pizza? Yes, we do. Does your brother have 2 children? Yes, he does. Do you mop your house every day? Do they study English? Does your mother work? Does it fly? Does your father smoke? Do you mop your house every day? No, I don't. Do they study English? No, they don't. Does your mother work? No, she doesn't. Does it fly? No, it doesn't. Does your father smoke? No, he doesn't.